Alright, so we're walking to the Cheesecake Factory. I want you all to see it when we walk in. It's crowded over here. This little Pop Mart place. It's got some Labubu's or something. I see all these little dolls, so it's definitely a thing. So that's where I'm going, guys. Yes. You see here, I'm a little off center, but I'm walking into the Cheesecake Factory and I'm going to show you the inside here, which it was really, really nice. I think it was a lot more welcoming than in the US. I mean, it was very pretty ambiance. This would be considered, I think, more of a high-end restaurant here in Thailand, especially for the locals, because there are Western prices. So it's pretty much the same. I would say I probably might have spent 10% less than I would in the US. So I got this little booth that they set me in with. It was really nice. So I was able to record and show you guys everything. The menu was very similar to the menu in the US. In fact, one thing that they don't have in the US is fresh smoothies. They have that in pretty much all the restaurants in Thailand. And I love those. So I got a strawberry blend smoothie. I think the only thing that it had in there was no sugar in it, but it was milk. So they blended it. It was so good. I loved it. And it was really refreshing. So, but pretty much the menu was the same. I was going to the bed theater after this, so I didn't want to eat too much. And I didn't have a big appetite, but I got a salad and I got a burger and fries just to get some variety. And I didn't eat a lot, but it was really good. I just want to say the staff here was amazing, very helpful, took their time. I didn't feel rushed like I do in America. So that is something that I've noticed in all of the establishments is the excellent customer service. I think they really take their time and help you with the menu and help you make a selection. So I hope you can hear me. All right, so we're at Cheesecake Factory. And I was saying it seems like the prices are about the same in the U.S. So it's probably going to be about $30 for me.
Strawberries,
Captain Cow. Okay, I'm going to do the old-fashioned burger.
half cooked, medium well.
Medium well.
Medium well.
Yes.
And for the burger, we serve with salad and fry. You can choose one.
Which one? Fries?
Fry and green salad. You choose one.
I'll do the fries.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Old-fashioned, medium well.
Yeah. And I'm going to do the factory chopped salad.
Factory chopped salad.
And do you have Coke Zero?
And Coke Zero?
Yes.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Are you allergy food or cannot eat allergy food?
Allergy? No, I'm pretty good.
I will wrap with bread and butter for you. Bread and butter for you.
Yeah, we'll try. Thank you.
For the menu, you want the salad first or first come first serve?
Whichever comes first. Yeah, but I can take the salad first.
Okay.
That'll work. One thing I don't like, I can tell you right now, is use paper straws. Oh, whoever invented that, I don't even say what I want to say. This is a strawberry smoothie, all fruit. Very good. No sweet, no sugar in it. It's kind of hard being here because I have to carry everything with me. Like I got my DJI camera and everything is in here. So I carry a portable backpack with me, which I think I'm going to open up so I can kind of organize my things. And then I have to carry this. If you know, you know about these. These inhalers, they help you with dizziness and nausea and things like this. So if you're experiencing that while in Thailand because of the heat, these are the bomb. This is like the top one that you can get at all the pharmacies. But yeah, so I got that. I also got some probiotics. I was told that this was a good brand by the pharmacist. I told him what I was looking for. So, got that. And I got me some more allergy medicine because I wanted to change my medicines. I was on
Zyzol, and I've been changing to this medicine, which seems to work a little better for me. And then I got this. It's a daily moisture therapy, like facial mist. That's hypoallergenic. It's for dry and sensitive skin. So I could kind of like just spray it on my face. It's more like a reset, you know, like you would if you were using like a setting spray or something. Kapuka. And then I got the ticket to the movie theater, which was 1,100 baht, so about $35 for the bed theater. But I'm doing that for my family and followers, so you can see here. And I'm going to see the movie Regretting. It's an American movie. It starts at 1600, which is 4 o'clock p.m. I guess don't nobody really be going to bed before 4. And then I got this oil. It's my aunt told me to get. It's good for dizziness, itchy insect bites, and pain. So I'm gonna let you know how all of these things work. And I'm gonna organize my things while I got a chance here, and I'll see you in the food court. Right now it's beautiful in here. I had to show y'all. I had to show y'all this because I ain't forget it this time. I'm red hot, so I brought my own because it's kind of save the day for me for different things. If I get some chicken or something, I definitely want red hot with it. So I definitely bring it in my purse. I'm just saying. Delicious. Like chopped salad. Let me try to show y'all better. And then you got bread and butter. I know I ain't gonna eat all of this, but it's nice to have it though. This salad is delicious. It's actually got like a vinegar-based dressing that's phenomenal. And it is chopped and it's fresh. That's worth every penny. Oh my God, now look at this. Old-fashioned burger and fries. And I even had him bring me some A1 sauce, so I'm excited about this, y'all. But I just don't know how good it is to eat. When you have nausea, that's the worst feeling. Delicious, thank you. I think and a few little fries. The service is amazing. The food is hot. It's gonna take me a while to eat it because it's like not like fast food hot. You know how you cook real food, it'll be hot for a while, like it used to be in the 1900s. And it's delicious. I'm giving Cheesecake Factory, and this only compared to the U.S. So in the U.S., I really don't care for Cheesecake Factory, I'm being honest. And I'm not going to get any cheesecake because I don't even like cheesecake. But in the U.S., I would say I give it a 6 out of 10. You know, it's nice for birthdays and holidays. But this one, I'm going to give 8.2 out of 10. I mean, when I came in, they greeted me, they ran to me, and were very, you know, just hospitable and just checking on me right after I get my meal. It's been good. The prices is about the same. Like I said, don't come here thinking that you're going to pay Thailand prices. 200 baht. I'm going to say And I didn't even drink. This time I knew it's probably going to be about 1,300 baht. So probably about 40 bucks, because I did get a couple of, I got a smoothie and I got a Coke Zero.